Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Very good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning, sir.
Very
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
I hope all of you have joined. So good morning, all of you. Very
morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
okay. Very good morning. Now, syllabus has been changed. Okay, mind it. Syllabus for the first term has been changed. Okay, for the in the recent syllabus for the first term, in each and every subject there has been some change. Okay, brought down by the higher management of our school, and syllabus for the first term will be chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 and 12. Okay, chapter 1 is not in syllabus of first term. Okay, chapter 1 is in syllabus of second term, and chapter 6 is also in the syllabus of second term. On the place of 1 and 6, on the place of 1 and 6, chapter 11 and 12 has been introduced. Okay, chapter 11, that is solar system, and chapter 12, it is observation of the sky, has been added. As I have received this, I am informing you. Accordingly, the syllabus for the pre-mid will also change. The syllabus for the pre-mid will be chapter 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Accordingly, the syllabus for the first pre-mid will also change. The syllabus for the pre-mid, it will be 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. I hope all of you have understood. Chapter 2, 3, 4 and 5 will be the syllabus. Let me share you. Okay. I am sharing it in your group also. Okay. You see, I am sending it in your group also. Class group also I am sending it in your WhatsApp group. You will be able to see it. And I will be sharing it on the screen also. Okay. I have sent it on your group. Okay. I have sent it. And you will be able to see it. Accordingly, let me share it. I will show it on your screen also. Wait, everybody. Now see, this is your latest syllabus. Okay, this is your latest syllabus. Okay, you see here, this is the syllabus of the English. I'm not more concerned about this. I'm nowhere concerned about the syllabus of English. I'm concerned about the syllabus of science. You can see this is the syllabus of the science. Okay, this is the syllabus of the science. You can see here. Okay, it is on the screen. Chapter 2, it is plant, forest, animal, our friend, which I am teaching, and chapter 5, it is food. I have already taught, and the solar system and observing the sky. All these are in your latest syllabus. Okay, all these are in your latest syllabus, right? And this is the syllabus for the second term. Okay, and I hope all of you have understood it. Accordingly, the syllabus for the pre-med will also change. Okay, accordingly, the syllabus for the pre-med will also change. The syllabus for the pre-med will be chapter 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, don't ask me again and again. I am saying this will be the syllabus. I am marking it. I am marking the syllabus of. Okay, see, this will be the syllabus of the pre-med test, which is going to be held. Okay, the syllabus for the pre-med. Okay, this will be the syllabus for the pre-med. Okay, syllabus for the pre-med. Syllabus for pre-med. Okay, this is syllabus for the pre-med. Okay, it is syllabus for the pre-med. It is chapter 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, chapter 2, 3, 4, and 5 syllabus for the pre-med. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Don't ask me again and again. I have also sent it in your WhatsApp group. You can see it. Okay, now yesterday I was let's come to the topic which I was teaching yesterday. Okay, I hope you are comfortable with this. If you have any problem, you can raise your hands. Okay, Aditya, unmute yourself. Aditya, unmute yourself.
यस सर.
Tell me.
सर पूछे जो रेड कलर से आप गोल किए थे सर वो मिड टर्म में आएगा.
हाँ, सही बात है.
सर एक और बात पूछना है. सर पूछ रहे ऑफिस खुला हुआ है स्कूल का फी वाला.
ऑफिस खुला हुआ है. हाँ, जाकर फी दे सकते हैं. ठीक है.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Mute yourself. Next, Sujal Saurabh, unmute yourself.
क्वेश्चन आएगा.
हाँ,
सर क्या सर?
क्या बोल रहे हो? बोलो.
It will be MCQ type.
Yes, it will be MCQ type question. Okay, it will be MCQ
Thank you,
type
sir.
question. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, so any problem to anybody? Any problem to anybody? Okay, Priyanshu Kumar 5C, tell me.
सर अभी बुक मिल सकता है?
बुक मिल रहा है स्कूल में, जाकर परचेज कर लो.
सर बुक मिल रहा है ऑफिस में?
हाँ, बुक मिल रहा है स्कूल में, जाकर परचेज कर लो. अपने पेरेंट्स को बोलो, जाकर परचेज कर लेंगे. ठीक है. ओके. Anybody else? If you have problem, let's start the class. Bharti, unmute yourself.
सर आप जो वो रिकॉर्डिंग बनाने के लिए बोले थे ना, वो हम भेज रहे हैं, तो उसका अब क्या करना है सर?
अच्छा, हमको रिकॉर्डिंग का फिर हमसे बात करना बाद में. ठीक है, अभी पढ़ा लेने दो, हम बताएंगे. ठीक है, आई विल टेल यू. अभी पढ़ा लेने दो. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ कम टू द see here. I hope it is visible to all of you. I hope. What are wildlife trade? We have discussed it. How wildlife trade is harmful for a wildlife. Okay, who will say? Who will speak? Raise your hand. How wildlife trade is harmful for the wildlife? Who will answer this question? I had given you in the homework. Very least student, I think 2 or 3 students have only solved it. If you want to answer it, you can raise your hands. How wildlife trade is, Ritika? Unmute yourself. Ritika, unmute yourself. How wildlife trade is harmful?
Yes, sir.
Tell me how wildlife trade is harmful.
Wildlife trade is harmful because it killing many animals for their organ and selling market
Okay.
and earn money.
So how it is harmful? How it is harmful? Okay. Thank you. Mute yourself. Let me come to Smriti Komal. Unmute yourself, Smriti Komal.
Wildlife trade causes indirect harm through introducing invasive species which then prey on or compete with native species. Invasive species are as big a threat to the balance of nature as the direct over exploitation by humans of some species. It can be stopped by push governments to protect threatened animals populations by increasing law enforcement, imposing strict deterrents.
You one by one. You speak in point wise. Okay, you speak point wise. You speak point wise. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You don't speak continuous.
Okay, sir.
I will like to hear you. Once again, you tell first point. First point, you tell what you want to.
Wildlife trade. Wildlife trade causes indirect harm through introducing invasive species which then prey on or compete with native species. Invasive species are as big a threat to the balance of nature as the direct over exploitation by humans of some species.
Okay.
सर इसमें कोई पॉइंट वाइज नहीं है, इसमें मतलब पूरा सेंटेंस ही है.
Okay, you write in the chat mode. Okay, I will see it. I am unable to get your voice very clear. Okay, I am unable to get your voice clear. Okay, you write in the chat mode.
Sir.
Okay, Smriti Komal. Next, Sachi, unmute yourself and you mute yourself. Smriti Komal, you mute yourself and you write in the chat mode. And when you write, you raise your hand. Yes, next it is Sachi. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how wildlife.
There are animals with
Wildlife trade is causing harm to wild animals by human beings. Humans are hunting animals because animal body parts are used by humans, such as elephants are hunted for their tusks. The tusk or ivory, as it is commonly known, are used for making jewelry and decoration pieces. North South American bears are also.
Okay. Correct, Sachi. Let me take another one. Shania Singh, unmute yourself. Shania, unmute yourself.
There are animals which are being killed because their body parts are used by humans. We stop with very less product are used by making animals.
Okay. How it is making harm? How it is making harm? How? Okay, next Bharti, next Sania, you mute yourself. Okay, Bharti, unmute yourself.
Sir, what is wildlife trade? Illegal wildlife trade is also often.
Question is not about wildlife trade. question is about how wildlife trade is causing problem to wildlife. Okay.
Sir, please repeat question.
Question is, you can see it is on the screen, how wildlife trade is harmful for wildlife. This is the question. Okay, this is the question. You can see
Injured. Yes, sir. Injured animal and plant are often the target of a wildlife crime because they target and engage in comic uh, in comic vector.
okay.
User.
You mute yourself. Then it is Piyush Kumar 5A. Unmute yourself. Piyush Kumar, unmute yourself. Piyush Kumar, unmute yourself. Tell me how wildlife trade is harmful for the wildlife. Chalo.
Sir,
Tell me.
each and sir,
I am hearing you. Tell me.
each and every animal on earth has as much right to be here as you and me.
Yes,
Today
very good.
endangered
Very good.
Today endangered animals are, but later on human beings will be in danger.
Very good.
Shoot us with camera, not guns.
What you told last
Animals,
line? Last line.
sir, shoot us with camera, not guns.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, और है animal cannot manufactured on the factory. Our guns, they cannot be replaced. Earth was created for all of us, not something of you.
Okay, thank you. But your answer is not relevant, but you have said good points, but your answer is not relevant to the question. ठीक है, चलो कोई बात नहीं, अच्छे जो बात बोले वो अच्छा बात बोले हो. ठीक है, आदित्य कुमार, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. There are animals which being killed because the body parts are used by humans. This is known as wildlife trade.
Okay. Okay. Vaishnavi, Swati, Risha Ranjan and Prapti Prajapati, one by one. Okay. Speak, Swati. Swati, you tell me. Unmute yourself.
Who is the principal of in many parts of the world, wildlife is in danger because of many illegal hunting and poaching activities.
Okay, thank you. Next, Risha Ranjan, unmute yourself.
Wildlife trade is a process in which animals were killed because their body parts are used by humans. The harmful effect of wildlife trade is it destroys many types of food chain.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Risha Ranjan. Okay, so let's come over the topic. Okay, many of you have raised your hand, but I have to come to the conclusion. Sujal, Saswat, Abhinav, Vaishnavi. Next, I have to come to the conclusion also. Okay, so let's come to the conclusion. What how wildlife trade is harmful for the wildlife. Okay, so wildlife trade cause indirect harm. Okay, it causes indirect harm through first introducing invasive species, right? Invasive species which then prey on means which they prey या शिकार करना, ठीक है, prey on or compete with native species, right? This was the answer given by what is Smriti Komal. Okay, invasive species are big threat. Okay, now it is the term is here about the invasive species are the big threat to the balance of nature as direct over explosion by the human of some of the species. Okay, this is it can be stopped by the by push. It can be stopped by push government to protect threatened animal population by increasing law. So this is, it should not be this is, I will remove this and here it should be. Second, it is also causing change in the food chain. Illegal, okay, you see here, illegal hunting and poaching, illegal hunting and killing of animals due to wildlife trade is also disturbing food chain and causing ecological imbalance. Okay, so this, okay, I hope it is clear to you. So next question, why these animals are hunted? Okay, one by one you will tell the name of animal and why they are hunted. I had given you in your homework and you all have done it also. So why these animals are hunted? Okay, and you will tell me the name of the animals and who are hunted and why they are hunted. Who will say? One is Smriti Komal, I have asked you. Next, those students who have not answered the last question, I will give him the opportunity. Kassis, unmute yourself. Kassis, unmute yourself. Kassis, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me which animals are hunted and why they are hunted.
Elephant are hunted.
Elephant. Why they are hunted?
ये tusk.
For trust. Okay, next, which animal is hunted?
Rhinoceros are hunted for their horn.
For horn. Okay, next.
Tiger are hunted for their skin.
Okay, tiger and lion both. Okay, tiger and lion both are hunted for skin and teeth. Skin, teeth and bones. Skin, teeth and bones. Okay, skin, teeth and bones. Some superstitious people think that it is for the jadoo tona, bhoot, pichas, munga, इस सब के लिए. Next, you tell me, musk deer.
Leg of frog for eaten.
Okay, musk deer. First, you tell me. For kasturi.
Deer.
For kasturi. For making perfume.
कस्तूरी मतलब क्या होता है?
Kasturi is the type of essence perfumes which is found inside the body part of the musk deer. Okay. Next, you tell me. Next, frog leg. Frog leg.
Sir, leg of frog for eaten.
Leg of frog. Okay.
For eaten.
For eating. Okay. I hope all of you have understood it. So I hope all of you have understood it. Okay. Down your hands. Down your hands, everybody. Next. Come to the next question. Okay. Come to the next question. Next, how can wildlife be protected? Who will answer it? Who will answer it? Raise your hands. How can wildlife be protected? How can wildlife be protected? Raise your hands. How can wildlife be protected? Okay. So I am unmuting IOC 5C. IOC 5C. You will speak.
Wildlife can be protected by not cutting trees and protect forest. Wildlife also can be protected by not hunting animals.
Okay. First
By
you tell
not
me.
hunting animals.
By protecting trees and wildlife. Next question. Next you tell me. Next. Trisha Ranjan, you tell me. By protecting tree and animal. Next you tell me.
Wild animals are protected by the act called Wildlife Protection Act in 1982.
Okay. So wildlife can be protected by proper implementation. Okay, you are saying by proper implementation of Wildlife Act. Okay. Next, Shania Singh, you mute yourself. After speaking, you all will mute yourself. Next, Shania Singh, unmute yourself. Shania Singh, you say.
We hear of cases where monkey and troubling people. They often take away things from their houses. Sometimes we hear of leopard and tiger having become
How wildlife
Man.
can be protected? My question
enters.
is, wait, see the question. Your question should be answer should be according to the question. My question is, how wildlife can be protected? Okay, Ritika, you tell me.
We not cutting trees.
Okay, right.
We not cutting trees.
Okay, thank you. Mute yourself now. Now, Ritika, you tell me. Next, Abhinav, be ready. Abhinav, be ready. Next, Ritika, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Any answer?
A very important reason for protecting wildlife is that they form an important part many food
be
chains.
quiet.
If they are killed,
See, my question is how wildlife will be protected? How कैसे protect करेंगे? तुम अपना बताओ. How you will protect? Next, Abhinav, you tell me. Abhinav, you tell me. Unmute yourself, Abhinav. Abhinav. Abhinav, tell me. Abhinav, if
Yes,
not,
sir.
tell me how you will
By
protect.
minimizing use of
Okay, yes.
by minimizing use of things that we get from wild animals.
By minimizing the use of product which is made from wild animal. Okay, same with the or same it will be with the plant also. By minimizing the use of product which we get from plants. Okay, and if you have other answer than this, then you will tell me. Okay, so Prapti Prajapati, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Any other answer?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
we should release they are doing so because man is destroying their living area by cutting down tree forest. For protection of wildlife is very important.
Okay, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Aditi, unmute yourself. Aditi, unmute yourself. Aditi, unmute yourself. Aditi,
Yes, sir.
do you have any other answer?
Yes.
Do you have any other answer? Okay, mute yourself if you have not any.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me. Okay. Durgesh, unmute yourself. Durgesh and Vaishnavi, unmute yourself. Do you have any other answer? Durgesh and Vaishnavi. Durgesh, can you hear me? Vaishnavi, can you hear me? Unmute yourself. How wildlife can be protected? How wildlife can be protected? No answer? Okay. So let's any other answer? Bhavya Kishore, you have raised your hand, unmute yourself.
Question.
Oh my God! Without hearing question, you have raised your hand. Question is how you will protect the wildlife? How? How you will protect the wildlife?
Yes, sir. बोलते हैं सर.
बताओ.
We hear of leopards and tigers having become man eater. We should realize that they are doing so because man is destroying the living areas by cutting down the forest. Protecting of wildlife is very important.
Okay. Next, Ritika. Ritika, you tell me. Ritika. Unmute yourself, Ritika. Ritika, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
How you
Sir,
will protect?
बोले.
बताओ.
You can help reduce this theater by planting negative trees, destroying
Okay. Okay. Wait
wetlands,
here.
or cleaning
By
up
planting more tree. You are
beaches in
saying.
your areas.
By planting more tree. Okay. More and more tree. Okay. By planting more and more tree. Okay. Next. By providing natural shelter to wild animal. Okay, right? By providing natural shelter to wild animal, we can also protect. Okay, I hope all of you have understood it. Okay, down your hand. And next, okay, next come to the next question. What is food chain? The definition of food chain yesterday only I have taught you who eat whom. It is the series of animals or series of living beings. Hello, it is a series of animals in which who eat whom. Okay, this is series of animals in which who eat whom. Right.
Sir.
Any other answer of the food chain? If you have, you can raise your hand. If anybody is having any other answer, you can raise your hand. हाँ बोलो क्या बोल रहे हो बोलो
Sir.
बोलो हाँ बोलो जल्दी.
सर जो चैप्टर 3 का ऑब्जेक्टिव का फिलिंग है वो मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे सेंड कर दीजिएगा.
चैप्टर 3 का लगता है कि ध्यान में नहीं है क्योंकि बना लिखे नहीं है पूरा ना. चैप्टर 3 पूरा कंप्लीट नहीं किए थे. और देखो सारा तो यूट्यूब पर अवेलेबल है. यूट्यूब पर जाओ और उसको डेट वाइज देखो डाला हुआ है और उसको तुम खोलो और सुन लो. ठीक है, समझ में भी आ जाएगा है ना. चलो नेक्स्ट. अभी डू यू हैव एनी अदर आंसर? इफ यू हैव एनी अदर आंसर यू कैन टेल मी. इफ यू हैव अदर आंसर रेज योर हैंड्स. I'm lowering your hand. If you have any other answer of the food chain, then you raise your hand. Okay. If you have any other answer of the food chain, please raise your hand. Okay, Sachi. Sachi, tell me the answer. You are already unmuted. Unmuted, Sachi. Tell me if you have any other answer of the food chain. Tell me, Sachi. Unmute yourself, Sachi. Sachi, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Yes, tell me. Unmute yourself.
सर अनम्यूट होके म्यूट हो जाते हैं.
हाँ बोलो. Tell me.
A series of organisms each dependent on the source of food.
I didn't got. Once again, you say.
A series of organisms each dependent on the next as a source of food.
Same answer. Okay. Anybody else? Smriti Komal. Tell me. Unmute yourself, Smriti Komal.
A series of organisms in which each creature eats the one below it in the series and becomes a source of food for the organism above it.
Okay. Okay, Ritika, unmute yourself.
A food chain so how each living organism gets its food. For example, leaves eaten by caterpillar.
It is series of interdependent animal. Okay. Series of interdependent animal. चलो क्या बोल रहे थे स्मृति कोमल और बोलो. It is series of interdependent animal in which
A series of organisms in which each creature eats the one below it in the series and becomes a source of food for the organism above it.
It is series of interdependent animal which feed on other animal, right? Correct. Feed on other animal, which feed on other animal, and it becomes a source of food for other. Okay. In simple word, we can say, in simple word, it is series of animal, series of